Welcome to Salestrakr 5, the fastest sales tracker yet. Let me show you some of the new features you'll see in Salestrakr 5. First and foremost, we've made the ability to add new fields and to show them up on your business card right here super simple. Let's go into administration. Let me show you. We'll come into data, and here you can see now you can add any type of new field you'd like. Let's add a new field called friends or best friend. And let's say that that's going to be a text box, but it could be a drop-down. Maybe we'll say likes to fish. Let's make that a drop-down. Now we can enter in that custom field. Just like that, we're able to see that in advanced search, or we can see it on a business card, in a contact card, see it in an account card. Just that simple. So let's now save that, and let's go back to the main sales tracker, and we can now come into this contact, and we can go in and touch likes to fish and say, we don't know, we didn't add that information. So let's go back to administration, and let's go back to our custom data, and let's go back through and say it was a drop-down box, but we need to say yes, or we need to say no. And just like that, we have now updated our custom field. We can now come back to our contact record and say likes to fish, and say yes. Now we've entered in a piece of information that's unique to Sheer Pittman, and we can now begin to look for all of our clients in advanced search who like to fish. And so that's one of the key new features to Salestrakr 5. Do you have a continuing need for your sales teams to be able to find commonly used company files and be able to then use them in correspondence, or perhaps just print them? Our company files feature has now continued to grow. We now provide you the ability to categorize the documents you put into Salestrakr to again make them easier to find so that salespeople can find them and use them. For example, let's send an email here to our user, Sheer Pittman. So click on the email. I can easily go in and attach a company file and grab one of these, and that's it. It's ready to go in the email once I hit send. Just that simple with Salestrakr. Also with Salestrakr 5, we've made edit in place even simpler. Let's go in here to Sheer and change his name to Steve. Just that fast. And now it's updated in the contact card. Let's come over here to main and let's look for other things we might want to change. Let's change again his marital status to married. Now that's instantly recorded in Salestrakr 5, and you'll know right away that he's married, and you'll be able to do an advanced search and find out all the people you might have in a certain geography that are married. But again, you can make changes just that fast. We've also, as you saw from earlier part of this screencast, we showed where you could edit in or add in all kinds of custom data. You can also come into these contact cards where maybe you've told Salestrakr you'd like to see the information. You can also click to change here, but you can also come in and quickly tab through all that information. Let's say I want to come down to here and make a change. Just that fast. So we've made edit in place not only something unique to Salestrakr, but even faster in Salestrakr 5.